How to delete all passwords from your Chrome browser. Okay, so in Chrome browser there may be your all password has been saved, and if you want to delete it, you can delete easily. So there is a two method, and there is a two there is a two place where your password may be saved. Once in your browser, which is Chrome browser, and second is in your Google account. So I will show you both option, how you can find it and how you can delete it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how I can delete your all Chrome password, all your saved password from Chrome and information and login information. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser first. So here on my browser, so as I told you, there is a two place where you maybe your maybe password your password may be saved. So first in your browser, so show you how you can do this, how you can find your saved password and delete. Just click on three dot option, go to the settings, and here you can go to the autofills. Under the autofills, go to the password manager, and here you can see the all your saved password. I don't have any password here which is saved, so you can see the all your password here, and you can delete by clicking on the option. You can see the option here, you have to just expand it and delete it. Same way you can find out the storage password from your Google account. So here, if this is Google account, if you have login with your Google account, go to the Google account here. Or so guys, this is your password manager of your Google account. Okay, so this is the way you can go to the Google password manager. Or there is another way, just log in with the Google account and click on this your profile photo, and now you can go to the manage account. Just load it, just let it load first. Okay, I think my internet is lost. Okay, go to the manager Google account. Now go to data and privacy, just scroll down, and here you can see the password manager. Where it is, I think in security. There is a password manager under the security, and you can see, so you can see the all your your login information, like your website, your username, password, everything. We need to enter the password to view the all details, your current password. So just enter the password here. Okay, so after you enter password, you can see the this is your all login information, and you can delete from here. Okay, same way you can delete all details, like you have to just enter the hit the username or website, and you can delete from here. So this is your Google account password manager, and first which is I show you the your browser manager, your browser password manager. Here also you can see the all save password, and you can delete from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.